cordless blenders are getting more and more popular. And with that comes a whole lot of subpar products on the market that you're best off avoiding. With this in mind, I decided to separate the good from the bad and find out what the best cordless blender truly is. Links to each of the best portable blenders are in the description box below. This compact cordless blender from Cuisinart combines convenience with powerful performance for people constantly on the move. The 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery provides enough power to blend smoothies, shakes, and even crush ice in moderation. Its portable nature makes it ideal for office use, travel, or outdoor activities where power outlets aren't readily available. The 16-ounce to-go cup comes with a travel lid, allowing you to blend and take your drink without transferring it to another container. The LED display controls offer a modern touch while making operation straightforward. Quick charging via USB means you can power up at your desk, in your car, or anywhere with a USB port. Battery life is respectable, offering approximately 20 minutes of continuous blending per charge. This translates to several smoothies before needing a recharge. Plus, the unit's compact dimensions make it easy to store in cabinets or pack in luggage. And at just 2.21 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere, yet solid enough to feel substantial during use. While not replacing a full-size blender for heavy-duty tasks, the Cuisinart EvolutionX serves well for individual portions and basic blending needs. Next up on my best portable blender for smoothies list, we have this compact cordless blender from Nutribullet, which delivers impressive performance for on-the-go blending while being lightweight enough to take anywhere. The Nutribullet portable blender is a game changer for busy individuals who want their smoothies and protein shakes wherever life takes them. Its 20-ounce cup provides enough capacity for a satisfying drink while maintaining a slim profile that fits easily into gym bags or backpacks. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design featuring a flip-top lid that opens with a simple button press. Power isn't sacrificed for portability with this cordless wonder. The 7.4-volt rechargeable battery delivers enough strength to handle soft fruits and protein powders with ease. Your morning routine becomes more flexible since you can blend at work, in your car, or even during outdoor activities without hunting for an outlet. Cleaning this cordless blender couldn't be simpler. Just add water and a drop of soap, then run a quick blend cycle to wash away residue. For more thorough cleaning, both the cup and lid are dishwasher safe on the top rack. This convenience means you're more likely to use it regularly rather than dreading the cleanup process. The handled lid serves double duty as both a comfortable carrying option and a convenient drinking spout. When you're ready to enjoy your creation, simply flip open the lid and sip directly from the container. This eliminates the need for extra cups or transfer containers, reducing waste and saving space in your bag. While not ideal for crushing lots of ice or blending tough ingredients, this portable Nutribullet excels at what it's designed for, creating smooth drinks when you're away from home. Checking in at number 3 on my best portable cordless blender list, we have the BlendJet 2, which combines powerful blending capabilities with portability that lets you enjoy fresh smoothies anywhere. The BlendJet 2 brings smoothie making freedom to your daily routine. No longer tethered to kitchen outlets, you can blend fresh drinks at work, during workouts, or on beach days. Its compact design fits easily in bags or cup holders, making healthy choices more convenient than ever. What sets this portable blender apart is its TurboJet technology. The stainless steel blades, powered by a 7.4-volt motor, can tackle challenging ingredients like ice cubes and frozen berries that would stall lesser portable blenders. You'll appreciate this power when creating thick smoothies or protein shakes that require serious blending muscle. Battery life won't disappoint either. A single hour-long charge via the included USB-C cable powers up to 15 blends, keeping you fueled through multiple days without hunting for outlets. The lock mode prevents accidental activation while traveling, and the carrying strap makes it even more portable. Cleanup often deters people from daily blending, But the BlendJet 2 solves this problem brilliantly. Simply add water with a drop of soap, run a blend cycle, and rinse, no disassembly required. This self-cleaning feature turns what could be a kitchen chore into a quick 30-second process. The 16-ounce capacity hits the sweet spot between personal portion size and practical portability. While not large enough for family-sized batches, it's perfect for individual smoothies, protein shakes, or even whipping up small batches of dips using the pulse mode. Now for the runner-up on my best portable smoothie blender list, and it's a good one. This popular personal blender brings the power of KitchenAid to any corner of your kitchen or beyond. You'll appreciate the freedom from searching for outlets when you're in a hurry to make your morning smoothie. The 12-volt max removable battery provides impressive power for a cordless unit, handling frozen fruits and ice with surprising effectiveness. The 16-ounce blending jar features a clever design that creates a vortex effect, pulling ingredients back toward the blades for more thorough blending. Your smoothies come out with a consistent texture thanks to this thoughtful engineering. When you're finished, the included travel lid transforms your blending jar into a to-go cup, perfect for busy mornings. Battery life proves quite practical with 20 minutes of continuous runtime, providing the ability to make multiple drinks before needing a recharge. The USB-C charging system adds convenience, allowing you to power up using standard cables you might already have for other devices. For off-grid situations or travel, this versatility proves particularly valuable. Storage is another highlight, as the compact footprint takes up minimal counter or cabinet space. And yet, the sleek design looks stylish enough to leave out on display if you prefer. The 2-speed control system keeps operations simple while providing enough versatility for different recipes. Softer ingredients blend smoothly on the lower setting, while the higher power tackles ice and frozen components with impressive results. As you can see, despite its portable size, this cordless blender doesn't compromise on performance where it counts. So, what is the best portable blender on the market? In my opinion, the Ninja Blast Max is the best cordless blender that you can buy right now. This innovative portable blender stands out with its unique twist-and-go design. You can blend your favorite smoothie or protein shake, then simply twist off the 22-ounce vessel from the motor base and take it with you. The detached vessel is 50% lighter than models with attached bases, making it much more comfortable to carry around. As the best travel blender for smoothies, the Ninja Blast Max doesn't compromise on power despite being cordless. Its Power Blast technology delivers performance comparable to corded blenders, easily crushing through the ice and frozen fruits. You'll appreciate the consistency of your drinks whether you're at home, at work, or heading to the gym. Smart features set this blender apart from competitors. The 3 Auto IQ programs, Smoothie, Crush, and Blend, take the guesswork out of blending, delivering perfect results with just one touch. A dedicated power button prevents accidental operation, while the integrated sip lid and silicone handle enhance portability. Cleanup won't be a hassle in your busy schedule because both the lid and vessel with built-in crush blade are dishwasher safe. For quick cleaning, just add water and a drop of dish soap, then run a blend cycle. The self-cleaning feature saves you time and ensures your blender is always ready for your next creation. Battery life is a significant advantage of the Ninja Blast Max. You'll get the longest runtime of any cordless blender, though a full charge takes approximately 3 hours. The 11.1 rechargeable base ensures you can make multiple smoothies before needing to recharge, perfect for weekend trips or long work days where outlets aren't readily available. And with that said, you'll find the links for all the products mentioned in the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you found this best travel blender video helpful.